So we discovered in the previous lecture that we have a problem. We cannot get 13 volts from a 9-volt battery. So how do we fix this problem? And the solution we came up with is that resistor was just too big. So we're going to keep our two LEDs in parallel, but we are going to reduce the resistance. And the way that we reduce the resistance is we are going to put two resistors in parallel. And both of those resistors are going to be 330 ohms. So let's talk about combining resistors. When resistors are in series or end to end, they add together. So if I had two resistors end to end like this, then the total resistance would be 660 ohms. But when I have resistors in parallel like this, the way that they combine is called the product over the sum. So I'm going to have 330 times 330 over 330 plus 330. And when you do that calculation, you'll get that the net resistance is 165 ohms. So these two resistors together make 165 ohms. So now that we have 165 ohms, let's try our calculation again. We have 20 milliamps through this LED. We have 20 milliamps through this LED, and these two combined also have 20 milliamps. So that means that the voltage across that 165 ohm resistor is going to be half of 13.2, which is going to be 6.65 volts. So if I have 6.65 volts here, I have approximately 2.35 volts here. And now both of the LEDs can turn on. And that's what we saw in our demonstration. I hope you're learning about KCL and parallel and series and KVL. Make sure you're asking questions in the chat. Come back, like, share, and comment, and stay STEMtastic.